Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of my vlogs. Anyways, today is Saturday, so aku banyak aktiviti hari ni. So aku just nak korang follow along. Ada kamit, ada macam-macam lah. Hey guys, so now we're at Subang Ria. I'm having brunch. It's supposed to be early brunch, but now it's a bit late brunch because I was late. I got into a road rage, but it wasn't my fault. By the way, I'm here with Danish. He's the birthday boy, T20 boy, the only Chinese in Malaysia left. So anyways, I ordered kway teow. I'll show you guys what it is when it comes in. Ooh, kway teow. Okay, food is mid. As you can see, the food is mid. I ate two.
The food was mid, right?
The food was mid. Was it mid?
Because it was cooked by?
Fuck you, man. No, it's a joke. I say it's mid, but I ate two.
No, you didn't.
That was cooked the best, bro. Yo guys, I'm currently driving my car because tonight is the meet, but I think it's raining right now. Tapi hopefully the rain's gonna stop. I hope so. But I really need to go clean my car sebab it's been out and about, kena hujan and everything, so the car is really dirty. And malam ni there's gonna be a lot of cars, a lot of friends tonight. So it's best that my car looks good lah. So anyways, I'm driving to Bangsa to meet up with my family jap. And then if along the way I see tempat cuci kereta, I'm definitely gonna go clean my car. Got some spare cash from Raya. So yeah, we'll see how. Man, this place tak habis-habis construction. It's raining. Yo, it's like only 3 PM dude, tapi gelap gila. Quite scary. Hopefully it doesn't rain sampai petang nanti or malam nanti. Hopefully it rains now so that mid nanti tak hujan. Hopefully, insyaAllah. It's so lebat, man.
Shop. Extreme 3 shop.
Okay.
Normal.
Oh, normal. I don't understand. What?
What happened? Are we supposed to press it down? Okay, dah dah.
Oh! Why did I kena? Tekan, I dah tekan.
Tak kena.
I don't know. Dude, I don't know this game. Yeah, so the weather cleared up, so nice. So hopefully malam nanti pun, it's never a car meet if it didn't rain before. It's not a car meet, you know. Selamat menyambut 2003. This magazine is 20 years old, weh.
When you were young,
Mana wedding mummy? Why is your wedding in here?
Because I'm famous. Tiba.
Tu. Kecoh.
Mana mama? Mama tengah pregnant masa ni. Mana dia? Tak ada.
Ni.
Mana ada? Ni siapa? Kita orang pakai purple kan?
Oh.
Papa.
Fashion rekaan Perika Fashion terkenal. Rizalman menjadi pilihan Awin dan Haris. Oh, ni Rizalman buat ni. Slay. Azwin dan Haris.
Oh tidak.
If you guys are wondering, I'm at my aunt's old apartment. Tengah nak clearkan the apartment so that we run out the orang lain. And yeah, now I'm just gonna go downstairs. Nak belikan air, makanan and whatnot for my mom, auntie semua. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's check this place out. Apparently tadi kedai kat sini. I don't know why my mom said kedai. Maybe dah tutup kan. But the house is so dirty. Look at this. So apparently this used to be Google. But ni 2019? 2020?
Yeah.
It's not that old.
Not that old, but I mean.
Oh damn, everything is here.
Yeah.
How do you even look up stuff? Alright, dah start hujan. I'm gonna go cuci my kereta first, baru gerak.
I haven't cleaned my car. I didn't wash mine.
So guys, we just reached APU. So these are the guys who are early birds. So we're waiting for how many more people?
I don't know, man. Just 2 people already at Mama's shop.
2 people already at Mama. So let me just show you guys the car that's here. Chill, power car, FD. Sick exhaust setups, yeah. You get rev later. Sick cars here, man. Ultimate Beza. I mean Axia. My whip. Look what pulled up. STI. All-wheel drive.
Hey, ref.
Ayah, no rev ke?
Long way, ref. Later. Nice car, bro.
We are setting up for the shoot. Alright guys, so we are now rolling out from the parking lot and we are gonna go to the Mama. We're in a convoy. I think there's like about 15 cars. Holy shit, they're all revving. Actually heading out to the Mama, and then after that kita tengok time if sempat and if everyone's decided already, kita akan go to IOI Rio to shoot some shots, check out everyone's car and whatnot. Like a kami lah. It's a pretty chill drive to the Mama. It's a bit noisy, but I hope the Adobe podcast tu cancel out bising-bising tu a bit. But I'll talk to you guys when we're at the Mama. Ciao. Finally at the Mama with the boys. Everyone's here.
Nama you apa?
Oh, gaduh. Yeah, bro, it's my seat, bro. Move.
It's on, but you can feel that the compressor is not running at all. Like the aircon is just not working. You have air blowing out. Comic. You know why? He's wearing a sarong.
It looks like we're getting kicked out. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do right now, but we're just chilling down here, honestly. I mean, not chilling out, we're actually busting everything up here right now. But probably we're gonna go upstairs to see what's in happen. RX-8. Big ass wig. You won't buy it though. We got a Myvi here. Hey, this Myvi, buy it, wey. Fuck. We got a Myvi. And then moving on, we got the Honda. This shit's loud as fuck though, this car. Hey, go check out the Myvi, man.
Myvi turbo.
Myvi is insane. From my Honda Type 1. CE28s. This Honda. This car is loud as shit.
Fuck, man. One more, last.
We have a Subaru STI. Not sure about the year, but it's Japan spec. Yeah. Stock Polo. Nice. I think this is Francis' car. And this is Jordan's car. The ultimate Axia. Luckily it's not red. have a Roy. I think this is Roy's CD. Hey, you didn't change anything, right?
No, stop.
Stocks, yeah.
It's a stock engine.
He claims it goes 160.
Yeah, it could, but when it's 160, right, it hunts for gear.
Hunts for gear.
It will constant switch from gear 5th and 4th.
Alright.
Yep.
Shit.
你有试过吗？我的是之前开 S 小时候我自己放去 fit。
我的
This is yours, right?
Yeah.
Anything done?
K24?
in his dream.
You wish, ah?
I
No,
wish,
I can pray for you.
I wish. It's the same engine, same engine.
At least he done the rims. I think this is Nelson's 640, I think. I'm not too sure, but it's a big ass engine, twin turbo 3.0. Nice CD. This is Ziken's F30 2.0 turbo. This shit sounds insane. I've got a few clips of him doing some pulls. It's actually buzz. This is close, but it's an FD2, not R. Looks it's fucking clean. Here we have the RX8 Pro 3 Virgin engine. Which engine? Yeah, somewhere there. Okay, here's the owner. He says it's a Virgin engine. Nothing done to it yet. Only thing he's done is the rims. I forgot they had this. They had this detail in the seat, the rotary.
Yeah.
Rotary design. Moving on to the back of the bike, towards my car. This is Daryl's car. It's a E90 G25i, I think. Hasn't done anything yet, but he plans to change the exhaust. Boom, my whip. It's just a humble car, very humble car. Saturnio CPS 1.6. I'll do a full car tour one day. I'll just show you guys one day. This is actually the Legend tonight. Let's fucking go. This car is the fastest in the pack just now. And we're going here from the Mama. And then we have another city. And we have... So yeah, so that's all the cars that we have here tonight. It's actually an unofficial, official / meetup / get together for UCRC. Please, we're not representing our club in this event because like everyone's doing their own thing here. So no pointing fingers to towards APU or anything like that. But yeah, this is my night. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm done with the car meet. So sekarang I'm actually super tired. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you guys watched it all the way through, be sure to comment what you guys want to see in the future. Of course, aku akan ada lagi banyak stuff to show you guys. Anyways, make sure to subscribe, comment, like. You guys can check me out on Instagram at @megatakif. So yeah, anyways, see you guys in the next vlog. Ciao.
Baby, you give me